Steven's firework review.
Okay.
You get the fireworks!
Alright, guys. This is the fireworks. First we got a squash. It emits showers of sparks. Next we have a jade flower. It emits showers of sparks like the squash. I'll put that right there. We got a fireflies. Emits showers of sparks like those two. This is another fountain like those. Shoots out little sparks. Here's a happiness fountain. It shoots out little sparks like all those. Here is a crackling ball eye thingy. It spins around and it crackles. This is a spinning crackling ball. You've seen them probably before. There might be a part 2 of 2017 because this is 2016 and 4th of July is already over. This is leftovers from this year. Here's a crystal fountain.
Firefly.
Emits showers of sparks.
This one was copy of this one.
It's the same exact thing.
Yeah.
And so is all the other ones. I think I have 10.
I'll show you.
I think I have 10 of them. Alright. Next up is all this is made by TNT. If you're wondering, is a pyro fan, and I got all this in an assortment. This is a pyro fan. It emits showers of sparks.
It's a sparkler.
Just like almost all those, except for the crackling balls.
Okay, so you guys, we have a new one, and this is a...
I think this is like a firecracker, but in a different shape. If you guys can't see, I'll get you a little bit more light. There's that.
Now edit this out.
And then I'm going to get the rest of them right.
We're back, and we have 4.
There's 4. Next up, we have a Mr. Crackle. It emits showers of sparks. After this, I'm going to do a circle of all of them, like a rotation, to show you like the whole thing. Mr. Crackle. There's that.
And there's the same ones like this one.
And there's the same happiness fountain. I'll get everything out of the box that is the same. Guys, there's that. Now I'm going to do a rotation of each one. Alright, let me get everything. To get you guys a little more light. Never mind, that's not a happiness fountain. That's an amazing fountain. Sorry about that, guys.
Amazing fountain.
And then rotation, as you see, it's made by TNT. There's a lot of amazing fountains, like
Amazing
8.
fountain.
Let me get the other. This is called the flashing fountain. Here's this. Rotation of it. It's made by TNT.
Flashing fountain. All of these are flashing.
Here's
fountains.
a spinning crackling ball. It like spins really fast on the ground and then like crackles, and I think it might blow up. Oh, and I'll do a firework thing where I'm setting all this stuff off. There's this again.
Okay. Hey, Kaylee, baby.
And then there's this.
The Mr. Crackle.
Mr. Crackle is made by TNT.
They're all made by TNT.
Let me get those 2 things off. There's
That's
the pyro
crackle.
fan.
The power crackle.
No, it's the pyro fan.
And these are the crystal fountains.
The crystal fountain and the pyro fountain.
Firefly.
I mean the firefly fountain. Oh, and whenever I get other stuff, it'll be made by Phantom and like not just TNT. There's a squash fountain.
Jade flower.
There's a jade flower fountain. And that'll be all for you guys today. Bye, and I hope to see you guys in another video.
If you shake it.